I'm Levi,
I'm Joey,
and we're going to teach you how to find the height of any tree.
using a clinometer.
Clinometer. What's a clinometer?
A clinometer is a device that measures an angle from an observer to an observed point.
Great. All right. So this is the tree that we want to know the height of. X. All right. And so you find yourself a good old tape measure, and you stand here and you walk a fixed distance from the tree. How far do you think we're going to walk today?
Let's say 20 meters.
20 meters? Say 20 meters from the tree. That's great. Now, this is you. That's you. And you have a little clinometer with you. And you're trying to find the height or the angle created. I guess we're going to do it from here instead of
Well,
here.
you do it from here because
Well, okay, we'll measure the height of us too. Yeah.
So just draw a line here. And then at the very end, we can just measure this with a tape measure and add that.
Yeah. So we'll say this is 4.
So it's
2 meters. I was going to say feet, but we're in meters. Yeah, 2 meters.
Your eyes are 6.5 feet off the floor.
I am a really
Damn.
tall person. And it turns out, with your clinometer, what do you think the angle would be? Do you think it would be a really convenient angle? Or
Sometimes it's convenient, sometimes it's not.
so, well, we know what this angle is, right?
A nice thing you can do is you can walk until you get a 45-degree angle if you have the space for it. And that makes it
Well,
really, really
That's
simple.
probably true. Let's say this is 30 degrees.
Let's say it's 30 degrees. It's maybe difficult.
That's not that difficult. 36.
Make it harder than 45.
Okay, agreed. Harder than 45. 30 degrees, 20 meters. So there's this thing in trigonometry, if you ever took trig,
Angle
called, yeah, it's called side.
No, angle side angle.
Are we doing angle side angle?
Yeah, because we have 2 angles.
Angle, side, angle. Way smarter. And it means that if you have an angle and a side in between the 2 angles that you have discovered, you should be able to solve the rest of the triangle. So here's y, x, 20. So let's redraw this triangle. All right. 30, 20, 90. All right. Now we know that within a triangle, all the interior angles should add up to how many?
180 degrees.
So what is 180 minus 90 plus 30?
Minus 30.
60.
Great. All right. Now we pretty much have all the information that we need, and we can use like sine, cosine, and tangent and stuff. So, here.
If someone want to use a calculator and do, what's the formula for it? Opposite over adjacent, so cosine of 30.
Opposite of adjacent would be tangent.
Tangent of 30 degrees.
So write that down.
So do
Tangent
tangent of 30 degrees equals
of angle 30 degrees equals something
x over 20.
equals x.
Then we can multiply both sides by 20.
All right. So then you have.
And if someone can throw this part into a calculator.
11.547.
11 and a half.
11 and a half.
All right. Now we can just use Pythagorean theorem, or we could try to do the sine of 30 degrees.
That does look like 77.
But it doesn't matter because we know the height of the tree.
But does look like 77 and a half.
My 7s have crosses.
Well, do we know the height of the tree, Levi?
You need to add 2 meters to
You're smart. So
So we know the height from the observed height
Yeah.
to the top of the tree.
exactly. So now we need to add 2 meters. So.
Wait, is that 11 and a half meters? There we go.
Yeah, it is. All right. So x will equal 11 point. That's weird. 5 meters plus 2 meters, which equals 13.5 meters. So that's how tall your tree is.
That's how you find the height of a tree using a clinometer.
Ooh.
Any questions? Did we do something wrong?
What part of the tree are you aiming the clinometer at?
Very top.
Very top. Mind some branches.
This tree is just, you know,
What do you do if you can't see the top of the tree?
then you find the angle.
Then you back up.
Yeah, you back up until you can see the top. Find another tree.
What if you have to back up a mountain?
Cut it down.
So,
To be able to see this color.
so if your tree is like way
What
big,
if the tree's on a hillside?
that's
Oh,
the
then you
trees
have
on
to
the
account for
hillside?
the angle of the hillside.
Hopefully your hill goes up to where the tip of the tree is. And you
That's
can
actually what we were gonna do for ours.
Well, yeah, that's nice.
If it's a hill, it's gonna be doing like.
So let's say this is your hill,
Couldn't you just do
It's
that?
just two triangles instead of one.
Yeah.
and you're like this big,
Wow, that's beautiful.
and you need to find the height of your tree.
It's a big tree.
Yeah, that's a good question. Do you know how to do that?
You do two triangles.
Yeah, that's the next section though.
Because your chronometer.
And so you do the two triangle thing.
Yep.
And
That's
that's what we were gonna do, but instead we,
That's him shooting a weapon at
the tree, that's not a tree, but the tree that we have is on a hill. So there's two ways to do it. You can either measure from here and do the double triangle thing, or you can, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna measure from below and do this triangle right here.
Yep. It's totally fine.
Makes it just simpler.
Cool. Nice work, guys.
Cool.
Oh, what was the other word of caution? I had another word of caution.
Tangent.
This?
Degrees.
Right here?
30 degrees.
Yeah, when you punch tangent of 30, right?
Yeah,
you need to
so
make sure your calculator is in
degrees.
degrees
Yeah.
if you measured in degrees.
Yeah, fair enough.
If you measured in radians, you want to make sure your calculator's in radians.
Makes sense.
Yes, sir.